Having trouble mirroring your iPhone to your TV? Let's fix it in 1 minute. First, check your Wi-Fi. Both devices must be on the same network. Restart your Wi-Fi. Toggle the router and toggle Wi-Fi off and on your iPhone. Open Control Center and tap the screen mirroring icon to view available devices. If the TV doesn't appear, make sure AirPlay is enabled in the TV's settings. Step 2. Select your TV from the list when it appears on the iPhone. If a code is required, enter the AirPlay passcode shown on your TV. Update iOS. Open Settings, tap General, then Software Update to install any pending updates. Restart both your iPhone and the TV if mirroring still fails. Try reconnecting. Forget the TV in AirPlay and select it again to re-establish the connection. For advanced troubleshooting, check your router settings and enable multicast or peer-to-peer AirPlay if available. Success! Your iPhone screen now appears on the TV. Enjoy streaming and presentations.